Welcome to audio-to-text.email, where you can transcribe voice messages by just emailing them. To get started, click the Sign Up button. Fill in the registration form with your details. Check your email inbox for a verification email. Click the link inside to verify your email address. After verification, copy the unique email address provided by audio-to-text.email. This is where you'll send your audio messages for transcription. Compose a new email and attach your voice message. Send it to the unique email address you copied earlier. Once the email is sent, our AI-powered system will start processing your voice message to generate a transcript. You can listen to the original message and read the AI-generated
Al,
transcript
you're welcome to take over the
simultaneously.
guest room and hang out with us this week while they're gone, and we'd love to have you if you want to do that.
Experience
So,
audio-to-text.email for yourself. Sign up today to claim your unique username and receive 10 free credits to get started.